All right, let's have a look at this. The work of others, style movement based on Dyson, for example, a company, or Stark. Now, the strongest work here will have one page based on a designer and one page based on a company. And of course, that is informed from your mood board. Do you remember I said, make sure you represent 3 designers and 3 companies, and then your client chooses one of those companies and one of those clients, and then we go on to do a case study on them. And that's exactly what we're doing here. We're doing the case study. We're going to look into the company or the designer, identify what makes them special, what makes them iconic, innovative, whatever that thing is. We're going to talk about some of their existing products. And of course, what we want to include is lots and lots of pictures. We might want to take some bits and pieces from them at the end of it and say, I really appreciate the way that Dyson uses one material, generally one material in the casing of his design, plastic, which is easily recyclable and can be easily replaced. I love the color scheme, rah. Okay, so that's what we're doing. We are talking about a specific company and or a specific designer. Deadline, 26th of June, top right. What you want to be doing at the bottom of the page is including possible specification points. So if there's things which you think, right, yeah, that's really strong, that's something I could include in my final design, then you want to be popping it at the bottom of the page at the PSPs. But also, do you remember what I said right at the beginning? You want to be populating your final specification, which is on page 13, I think. In addition to this, you might want to do some concept sketches, do some drawings of the products that the designer / company has been producing, or adaptions, future modifications to how you think the product could be manipulated, improved, or how it could be modified so that it would be suitable for your type of, for example, memory game. All right. Let's have a look at what's been done. What we can see here is a really clear page, isn't it? With a nice introduction at the top and a really good summary at the bottom. We have a series of nice visuals, so we know what they're talking about. And then we have a general discussion about the different products that James Dyson made and what made him successful. So it's a really easy page. You've just got to sit down and knock out a couple of 100 words in text. So that's it. There's this one. And there's also this one. This is looking at, these are both companies, by the way. This is looking at Apple, one of each. But of course, this is another really strong page. And what we've got at the bottom here is what the person has learned. I would like to see PSPs on here, potential specification points. That's really important, I feel. And it just shows that you're always thinking about that specification. I hope that's clear. I hope you can get on with that. But we don't have long. I think you've got a couple of days to do this, the 26th of June. Okay.